Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Priscilla, and today we're gonna make some flan, or like we call it in Portuguese, pudim de leite condensado. So for this recipe, we're gonna need 1 cup of white sugar, 3 large eggs, the fresher the better, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, and about 600 milliliters of whole milk. So this recipe requires a bain-marie, which is pretty much baking or cooking with water very slowly. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put the flan in this pan, this round pan, and then we're gonna use this roasting pan to do the bain-marie. We're gonna put some water in here, place the flan, and then we're gonna take this to the oven, and that's gonna bake very slowly to coagulate all the eggs and milk. Medium to high heat, I'm gonna place my round pan and I'm gonna add the sugar. Here what's gonna happen is that the sugar is gonna start melting, and you really just need to keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. Alright, so in a blender, 3 eggs, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, about 600 milliliters of whole milk, because you're gonna use this to do the measure. So it's 1 can of sweetened condensed milk and 2 cans of whole milk. So here it goes. 1, and 2. Alright, so the caramel, it's cool. See, it doesn't stick. And just broke there. It's fine. An hour and a half has passed in the oven, and so I took it out, and this is pretty much the consistency that you're looking for. It's kind of like a gelatin, so when you shake it, it has the gelatin feel like, and when you touch it, your finger doesn't go inside. So I'm just gonna let it cool, and then it's going straight to the refrigerator for about 6 hours. With a butter knife, I'm gonna kind of go over the edges and make sure that it's not sticking to the pan.
Just flip it over?
Mm-hmm. Alright.
A lot of caramel.
I know. So thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please leave your thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.